quick reading for January the 29th to the 31st, Virgo. We have the Ten of Cups, the Judgment, and the Page of Cups. So ang nakikita natin dito, someone is starting to like you or someone is parang ngayon nila nare-realize, no, yung importansya mo, parang ngayon nila nare-realize yung pagiging jolly mo, no, itong iyong pagiging perfectionist in a way, nakikita nila kung gaano ito kaimportante. So chances are medyo you distant yourself from this person. So nakikita natin dito yung value na in-impart mo, no, sa kanila or sa kanya, which I feel like medyo nami-miss niya ngayon at parang gusto niya uling maranasan. So with that being said, parang lalapit ito, mag-a-approach, no, to make things better or to fix their connections with you. But ang ganda naman kasi parang meron kang mark, no, na iniwan dito sa puso ng taong ito, Virgo. So this is your quick reading, January the 29th to the 31st.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars